Whether it's unsightly bags under your eyes, dark circles, or swollen eyes, all three of these conditions affect our appearance by making us look tired and older than we actually are. When these bags appear or when our eyes swell up, the first thing we normally do is look for a product or cream that will fix our problem. The bad thing about these creams is that they're full of substances that can harm you when used for long periods of time. If you want to get rid of bags under your eyes and dark circles with a home remedy, keep watching this video. We're going to teach you a great recipe, which will work quickly and bring you all sorts of other skin benefits. This recipe calls for ingredients such as aloe vera. The gel from this plant will hydrate and tone your skin, as well as bring you other benefits. Rosehip oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids that will help your skin regenerate. Lavender oil. Lavender essential oil has anti-inflammatory and regenerative properties that can reduce dark circles because it lightens the skin around your eyes. Lemon oil. Lemon oil has several antioxidants and, just like lavender oil, lightens the skin around your eyes, lessening the tired appearance of your skin. Here's how to make the mask. Ingredients: 1/2 ounce of aloe vera gel, 1/2 ounce of rosehip oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 spray bottle. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients together and put them in the spray bottle. Before going to bed, if you're wearing makeup, wash your face to take it all off. Spray the solution on your face with your eyes closed. Massage the solution into the skin around your eyes. Wait for it to dry, then go to bed. This solution can improve the appearance of dark circles and lessen under eye bags from one day to the next. However, you need to adopt a few new habits in order to improve your sleep. Avoid distractions such as watching TV or eating too much. These habits can affect your sleep quality. Furthermore, try to sleep in a completely dark room, since that can also influence your sleep quality. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.